Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another recap. Today was fucking insane, dude. Holy shit. 400-point drop in 30 minutes? I was actually fucking scared of getting in the markets today. Like, I was actually scared, you know? Um, just no other emotion, just straight up fear in me. You know what I mean? Um, yeah, we were bantering for a little bit, first couple minutes, everything was like, oh, it's going to be a mellow day. And then bang, we got destroyed. Oh my God, man. I need to get fucking better at these days. Holy shit. I could have made so much money, but I didn't, but it is what it is. I mean, it is good money. $700 a day, bro. That's really good. I made a little over, I think I made about, I don't even know how much this is. 250, 750, 16, 96. I made like 800 something dollars. That's good. That's good. On a funded, that's pretty good. I'm up to a $958 balance profit in these accounts, so they're almost payout ready, which is really good. Today's my third winning day. Let's go over here. Third winning day of the week, so that is great. I just need a little bit more to meet my profit target, and I think I can do that with two small wins on the other 2 days, and I can get the payout. Let's see. Oh shit. Let's go to my Google Drive. And then we go to my consistency calculator. So yeah, I already put it in there. Yeah, I need 1463, and I'm at 957 right now. So that's a $500. That's about 450, like $510 I need. So I can either do that in a day and then flip the next day, or just aim for $250 a day. I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna aim for $250 a day and secure these payouts, because that'll pay off a lot of my credit card, because I have hella credit card debt right now. So $3,600 would be huge. It would put me in a really good position again. So that's my goal there. The trades that I took. First trade I took was a $555 loss instantly. So it didn't hurt as bad. It hurt, but at least it was quick. And then I moved on to my micros here, and then I had a really good trade on my micros. But then I got stopped out, which fucking sucked, or it would have been amazing. I got in with two micros. I got in at the 970s, and I rode this one up to 21. I rode this one up 43 points, and then I got stopped out. I was trailing my stop on the 1 minute. So if we look here at 705, yeah, see? So 705, I get in at 970s, and then I got stopped out here. So yeah, I got stopped. I had my stop placed on this wick, and it fucking took me out, and then it ran. Even if it ran here, I would have been like break even pretty much, because I made like $200 off this little trade right here. Let's turn on the lines to see exactly how much it was. Oh wait, I think it'd be easier if I just do this. 1 minute, and then fills orders, show trade lines. Yeah, there we go. See, so I had my stop right here. I was trailing it. Put it right there. It took me out. This was a $173 win, right? If I had just put it to break even instead, it would have been great, because it's not trailing. It's not trailing drawdown, so it would have just been up. But that was my mistake there. It was really good. I had a little dip, bought right there off that little hammer. It was looking good. You know what I mean? And it was good. It was great. I would have been done right here. Like even if I took it up there, like another, 70 points, bro. It was fast. This was 70 points in like 2 minutes. This is not the 5-minute chart. This is a 2-minute chart. 1 minute chart. Literally, after it took me out, the next candle We ripped 33 to 87. What? 33 to 87. That's 54-point candle with 2 micros. 4. This candle itself is $200. And then, like, oh my God, from 13 to 83, 70 points. That's, oh my goodness, it's crazy. So, well, unfortunately, I didn't hold it. So I was already up. I would have basically been like okay here, but got stopped out. So I was looking for something else. And then I didn't trade any of the things there. But then what I did was a little bit after, I took a little loss. So my drawdown was up again, right? And then I took a little win. So now I was like down 300. And then, didn't trade anything. And I took a trade once we got below the 21 EMA. And then I took a short, and it was pretty good. This one, 770. We break below the 21 EMA, and then I just wrote it down. This was the toughest hold for me right here. This minute of go ripping back up again, because I was in good profit. I was up $400 here, and then it started coming back again, and this is where I got scared. This would have been hell. I'm glad I did this, because I would have gotten my $500-ish dollars, the same as here, but I would have had to hold to break even, pretty much, so or not pretty much, to break even. It came back up again, or I don't know what happened first after this. So price, it opened down here. Oh yeah. So it came down again. So, I would have been fine, but 266, not bad. I was like, I took the biggest breath of my life. So yeah. Whoa, we touched VWAP here at 820. Oh. Weird. I thought the VWAP stays the same on all time frames, but we were actually hugging VWAP at around this time. Interesting. So yeah, it barely touched. Well, it didn't touch. It's 4 points away from touching. But yeah, so that was that. And then my Top Step account, we passed 5 Top Step accounts today. Took one trade off of the open, and it was a short. It was a short off of this run up right here. And then I shorted with 1 mini. That's all it took, 1 mini, and then it just boom came down. And then I accidentally added to the trade, so I was in like a little bit of what do I call it? I was at my profit target. I needed where I needed to be, and then I added one, and then it started pulling back a little bit, and shit pulls back quick when you're in 2 minis, your P&L, like the numbers jump around really quick, especially with this volatility. So but I was able to secure it. I took another big deep breath. Passed these in 6 days. 5 days. Passed these in 5 days. So yeah, this was a gambling day. I was in like three minis or something, and it was pretty bad, but locked myself out after I made that. So yeah, 77% win rate. Yippee. So yeah, that's good. And then I blew my Bullnox accounts. So let's take a look at that too. I got too attracted into this open here, and I was gonna take a short here, rejecting off of like overnight highs and all that, and chose to play the bounce instead once we started breaking down at around 640. So, and obviously we all knew how that worked out. So yeah, blew these But I have 3 more. Yeah, so probably will be activating them and not doing shit like that. Even though I have it fucking push pinned in front of me. Don't take counter trend trades is my 3rd rule, and I fucking, broke that. So never doing that again. But I probably will. Let's be honest. You don't just fucking change overnight. But I'm gonna be really mindful. Or if I'm trying to do that, I'm gonna switch my contracts because I was in like a mini, and then I added, and then I added again, and then it was all gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have 3 funded, 5, 8 funded, plus 3 more, 11 funded accounts. So I can't be doing too much crazy shit. Oh my god, look at us go. Holy. When I started this video, we were here. You know what I mean? God damn. No, we were lower. Now we're heading into the 750s. We're gonna crack. Oh, I want to trade so bad. Look at this. Another 100-point dump right here. This is 100 points. Oh my god, this is insane. These 1-minute candles are absolutely disgusting. Holy crap. Yeah, we're not just going to stop here. Keep going. Hit fucking 700s. Oh, we're getting some 750 psych number bounce. But yeah, that is wild. But yeah, yeah, so I need to tighten up my strategy a little bit because Top Step is kind of overpowered. You know what I mean? You get to take half of everything you make, and it's unlimited. So if you make like 5K on account, you can withdraw 2,500 multiplied by 5. Ooh, that's a big payout. So yeah, damn, I want to get in so bad, but damn, look at that, 20-point candle, 20-point dump right there. Yeah, we're going to 700s, bro. Probably going. I don't even know where we're going. Where do we even go, bro? I don't even know. 700s. Whoa, it does look like we're at some support here. Whoa, this has been major support. So I think we can see like, 700 break, and then we could see like a huge move up the next following days, like banter around here for a little bit, and then slowly work our way back up. I can see that happening. But yeah, we're in major support. So if we break this, tomorrow, and tomorrow's especially, it's Friday, so if people are in this and people, the shorts, I don't know, they should be covering here. The shorts should be covering here, so we could see a move back up, around this area. A bounce from here is not out of the cards at all. But, we just have to wait and see, but it's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's going good. Just hope I don't make any more very retarded mistakes and blow everything that I have. All right, it's looking good right now. This account's at 1,000, so I just need a couple $100 more, and 3,600 is like 10x profit of what I spent on these accounts, $240. So yeah, hopefully we finish it out strong. You know what I mean? We're at the home stretch. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace out. Bye.